Tips to create a robotic arm on code blocks. First, you need to identify what are the parts you are going to use to create your arm. And it's important to use the block create new objects. In that way, you are going to separate all the arm in different objects. Let's start the first one that I create, that it was the base. After I create the base, I start with one part that I call the shoulder. Then, with some shapes, I create kind of part of one arm, only with boxes, and when I organize them, I create the other part to join the other arm. In this case, this section that I already created, I just duplicate it and change the number for move and rotation in order to organize it on the place where I want. Then I did the same with the other part that I call elbow, where I join the two sections called arm. And if you notice, I just duplicate, and of course I modify some of the movements and the rotation in order to make it appear there. For the gripper, I just create the shape at the beginning and I create it on the center. After I create it, I start moving it to the place I want, including some other elements. What is important is you to remember that if you have this shape already done on 3D, you are going to know what are the different shapes you are going to use, and in here just need to try to calculate how to make them easier, just copying or duplicating the different group of blocks that you have. Remember, create a new object is going to make your life easier in order to create one of these shapes. Now is your time to create your model.